And here it is with the 20-inch wheel. So how to go from a 16-inch front fork on a recumbent bike or just a regular street bike to a 20-inch front wheel. So what I did, I upgraded my front fork. I actually got another fork and I just configured it so it works on a 20-inch wheel, which is kind of makes it a little biffier and a little more stable on rocky road or whatnot. So you could interchange a 16-inch to a 20-inch wheel easily by just undoing the babies, you know, the screws, and without have to change the whole front fork, you know, the whole assembly. It was fun to do, and good luck with you guys. And here it is with the 20-inch wheel up front.